Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop's neural filters to make someone smile in Photoshop. Okay, let's go ahead and go to filter, go to neural filters. Make sure to update your Photoshop to the beta version or this feature will not appear or your neural filters will be grayed out and you don't want that to happen. So make sure to update to the beta. Okay, now here to make someone smile in Photoshop, we have all these filters. The one you're looking for is the Smart Portrait. Click on the Smart Portrait, go to download, wait for that filter to download, and it's going to open up a whole bunch of different options that I'm going to show you in just a moment. Okay, so now here we have different sliders: happiness, facial age, hair thickness, eye direction. So let's take a look at the happiness, and you see this blue box around the face. That's automatically detected by Photoshop. So all we have to do is slide these sliders. Let's go ahead and go happiness to the max. You're gonna see this processing box. It's just gonna work a bit to make this person smile in Photoshop. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this video. Okay, and there you have it. And this is 50 points. What if we go down 50 points? And again, you can use the slider to increase or decrease the amount of the smile that you want to apply to this face. As you move the slider to the right side, the person starts to smile. Okay, so here, facial age. Let's try that out. You'll see this person getting older. Hair thickness. Let's see what this does. All the way up. It gets you thicker hair. And eye direction. Let's go left. The person is going to move their eyes to the left. Or move eye direction to the right. And you'll see that applied to the face. Okay, guys, this is how you make someone smile in Photoshop. It's a great feature. And I hope that you will find some use for this. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial.